Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube. So for you to do that, click on export, then you add names of your project, then your exporting storage, where you want to export your video to. Then from here you can set the resolution, the bitrate, the codec, the format, and your frame rate. After that, then just simply click on export. So right from here you can say the video is saved to your desktop or laptop. You can share it now. So from here just click on YouTube. Once you click on YouTube, then to take you down to YouTube, and for you to follow the next option, then how you can, the options, the prompt, and the other rules you must follow for you to be able to share your CapCut videos on YouTube directly. So just click on YouTube. Once you click on YouTube, then share. You can see it takes me down to YouTube, and that is how you can upload your CapCut videos to YouTube. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.